going forward in the long term, there will not be any car showrooms. It would be like a virtual, very well designed. You'll spend a lot of money and the best designers, the best tech, the best augmented reality, virtual reality, and everything which is required to create a virtual showroom. It will make you feel that you are in an actual showroom. So what's going to happen now? This is also because of the high real estate cost which these guys might be incurring, and with revenues not looking that promising going forward, there would be cost cutting. So you will not close down business, but you will cut down on expenses where you can, and a virtual showroom looks a reality. And if that happens, and with even more and more offices talking about work from home, TCS during their quarter results, they had announced that by 2025, 75% of their workforce can end up working from home. And if that happens, and if people are seeing that efficiency is not lost and we are comfortable, and this has been a good 45, 50 day, 2 months of a trial period, we have all struggled, we have all come to terms, and work is happening. We are doing the same amount of work or probably more amount of work sitting at home. So this is going to also have a huge impact on commercial real estate. And that is going to create more credit crunch and more problems for the bank, because bank exposure to real estate firms in terms of loans is very high. And Axis Bank, not Axis Bank, sorry, which bank which went under right now, that Yes Bank, the only problem with them was that the exposure which they had with real estate was humongous, and all that turned into be bad debts. So if real estate is not rented out, or real estate is not bought by big organizations, if things are moving to a virtual thing, real estate will start looking under tremendous pressure. Prices will certainly come down, but what's the point of prices coming down if there is no demand? Because price is a function of demand and supply. If there is no demand and there is a lot much more supply, a change in price is not going to happen.